Yeah. 2019 GMC 6.2 liter V8 Denali Sierra. Still got the factory converters. Then it's got a 3-inch pipe all the way back, and we put a Flow FX series Flowmaster 3-inch in, 3-inch out. 3-inch pipe all the way back, and then it duals out the back on each side. We kept the resonators on it. He didn't want it too loud, and we kept the front flap right there. If you want it louder, you take that front flap off. There was one in the back that we took out. Comes built in like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is with the Flowmaster FX series. If you guys want that muffler, it's in the description. Give me gas. Yeah, it's not too much, just perfect.
That's perfect right there, man. That's what you want.
That's what you wanted, exactly, right? Yeah. Perfect.
I don't want to work the things up.
Yeah.
Put it out,
You want to hear it, but you don't want it like obnoxious.
I like to listen to the music too.
Yeah.
I want it all up in the cab.
And it's a beautiful truck. You don't want it to sound like, you know? Just enough. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So you saw it before, we showed you the sound before. So now it's a 2019 GMC 6.2 liter Denali Sierra. Factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single, then 3-inch all the way back. And we put a Flowmaster Delta 40 series. If you guys want to purchase it, there's a link in the description. And then we continue it out the back, 3-inch, and it's dual out into 2.5. And he kept the resonators. He doesn't want it too loud, so he kept the resonators on it. That's the muffler we cut off. And the decibels were around like 95 to 100 with the muffler. We'll let you guys hear it after and show you how many decibels it is now. There it is. That's how you do these. Sounds on idle. Deep tone. Decibels are, go ahead. About 89, 90. I would expect it to be a little bit louder. But those glass backs, I think, in the back, the resonators took a little of the sound away. Especially the size of that muffler compared to the new one. He didn't want it too loud anyways. He uses it for business. That's the difference between the 40 and the Delta 40. The Delta 40 is always a little bit quieter. 40 is about 50% quieter, louder, And Delta's about 70% quiet, louder, quieter. I don't know. I messed it up. There it is. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Have a good one, guys. 2015 Chevy Silverado, Texas edition, LTZ, fully loaded, 6.2 liter. What we got on it is long tube headers, one there and one there. Then we put two high flow cats, one here and one there. Then it's wide into a single. Then it's got a Borla system on it, a Borla attack system. I don't know if you guys can see it. Into 2.5-inch tailpipes, one on each side. And then 4-inch tips, one here and one here. Right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. I think it's gonna sound really well.
Inside the 2015 Silverado, Texas edition. Want to let you guys hear what it sounds like from the inside. Awesome. Love this truck.
Perfect. Borla attack system, long tube headers, and straight through all the way with high flow cats. Sounds phenomenal. It's got the 6.2 liter LTZ. AT4, absolutely beautiful truck. What we got done on it, everything's all bone stock. There's the catalytic converters, one there, and actually this one doesn't come with a third converter, but it comes with a 3-inch pipe. Then we put a Flowmaster 3-inch in, 3-inch out, Outlaw Super 10 race muffler. It's a tiny muffler right there. We only carry it to Nashville, nobody else does. Then 3-inch, and then it's wide out the back. It's got 2 resonators on it, factory. And then with the built-in bumper, the tips on the bumper, right there in the valence. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it'll sound phenomenal. This is the muffler that came off of it right there. It's a huge muffler. We swapped it out for a Super 10 race muffler Outlaw. Oh, much better. Sounds beautiful. GMC Sierra 1500. And throaty, deep. I think I found my new muffler for these new trucks. Beautiful truck.
Here we are inside this beautiful GMC AT4 1500. Nice growl to it from the interior. Yes, sir.